It's another great day here at European Motors in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we have a 2023 Mercedes GLE 350 4Matic all-wheel drive, and these are really just the pinnacle SUV, mid-size SUV. It's a good size two-row SUV, black on black. And we got a ton of options here. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, giant panoramic roof, Burmeister premium sound system. It's a really, really nice sound system. We have a brand new set of tires on this one as well. Only 37,000 miles on this one. So this one is still under factory warranty as well. Have about, I think 6 or 7 months left of the factory warranty. And it's a 23 or 37,000 miles. This is in really, really nice shape. Looking down the passenger side, everything is straight and true. All-weather Mercedes floor mats down there. I'll show you the driver and passenger seat are in great shape. No rips, no tears. Gorgeous sky to show off that big panoramic sunroof. Sorry for the sun glare inside the car. It's a gorgeous day here at European Motors in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. The back seats on these are really spacious. This is not a three-row SUV, but I almost think that makes it better just because you have, I'll show you, I'm 6 foot tall, and there is an abundance of room. This seat's not moved forward, and tons of headroom, tons of legroom. It's a really comfortable place to be. Seats 4 adults very comfortably. You can fit 3 there in the back if you put someone in the middle. Power lift gate. Seats fold down as well. Nice and flat, so if you do need to haul some stuff, or if you have maybe a 4-legged friend that wants to ride in the back, get them a ton of space. Driver's side looks great as well. I'm not seeing any door dings on either side of the car. Everything looks straight and true. We do have 2 keys for this vehicle as well. Just looking for imperfections, but this vehicle, I mean, it just looks really nice. Let's hop in and take it for a spin. Push button start, everything fires up. All the warning lights come on and clear as they should. Put it in reverse, backup, and a 360 camera. And you have all sorts of different views as well. You can do a wide angle. You can get the sides as well. Make sure you don't curb those good looking Mercedes wheels there. You can almost even check out our new tires there. You can see how deep the tread is in the side view camera there. This car, I mean, this car will spoil. These are really nice to ride in. Burmeister premium sound system is amazing in this. Let's see if there's anything on the radio here today. Sound system sounds really nice.
I absolutely love the interior on this. I'm a Mercedes girl at heart, and just the way that they think about everything when they make these cars it's immaculate to me. Tommy knows I'm a sucker for it. We've got the ambient lighting, and it makes it look so cool.
At night, this interior, the glow of the ambient lighting has a cool look, but Mercedes, I apologize there, hitting the tap to talk there. Tap to talk feature, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Maddie has a Mercedes of her own. She's got a pretty sweet AMG SUV, and So she knows, I mean, these things, they drive nice. Wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have the navigation hard downloaded to the car as well. This new infotainment screen is really nice as well. Very easy to use and navigate. We'll run this around the block for you, show you it does everything it should.
I was kind of playing around with this earlier, but you can change the theme on the dash and it gives it a really cool look.
The other thing about a Mercedes is they're just so quiet and comfortable. Mercedes ran an ad back in the day. You get into a Mercedes and it feels like you've already arrived, because it doesn't even feel like you're in a car. They're just a nice place to be. If I gotta go on a long road trip, I mean, a Mercedes is kind of my top choice, and it's just because they do everything so well. 60 miles an hour, straight and true. Another thing that probably doesn't come through on the camera is just the lack of noise. We'll get on the brakes here to let the Chevy in, but the lack of noise, it's so quiet in here. I mean, we could whisper and have a conversation. So give us a call. This is a really nice example. 37,925 miles on this 2023 Mercedes GLE 350, still under factory warranty. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states. Give Maddie or myself, Tommy, a call. We can get you more details about that. Or if you're looking for a Mercedes here in Cedar Rapids in eastern Iowa, we do service these cars as well. Everything from routine maintenance to diagnostics and repairs. 319-393-8496, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.